Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be doing more plasterboard and flushing work here in the hallway. Before we get into it, I just want to apologise that the video is late coming up this week. Now I've had a lot going on during the week and we've had my daughter move back in with me and we've had to move things around. So work in the dining room has had to cease for the moment and I'm going to concentrate my efforts on finishing the pantry, kitchen and start work right down the hallway here. So what I'll do is I'll take you into the dining room, which is now our lounge room, and I'll show you what we've done just as a temporary measure. So coming down the hallway, we've got our big pocket doors here and I'll just slide these open and you'll be able to see our lounge room. It's quite cozy in here and it'll do quite nice for the moment. So we've just got the bare necessities in here, our TV, our lounge suite, and that's about it. We're not going to be using the fireplace because we've got a reverse cycle or a split system up here, so we'll make use of that in winter. But this is quite cozy. I'll just shut these pocket doors and it's quite nice. I quite like coming in here and chilling out in the evening. So when we're in here, we've got the heater going, got our pocket doors closed. It's really nice place to relax. So that's what we've got for the moment. You can see I haven't done any more work here. So we've been flat out with moving rooms around and settling my daughter Holly into her bedroom, which used to be the lounge room. Now that was annoying. I've been looking around for the last probably 45 minutes for this corner tool and it was inside the pantry. So I've splashed out and I've got some new tools. The plastic ones are good, they're cheap, you use them, you throw them away, but just for, I don't know, these are stainless steel. The ones I had before were just high carbon steel and they'd get rust on them. So I've got the stainless steel ones and I'll be able to clean these up and reuse them. So this is quite good for scraping off the plaster off of that. It's nice and flat like I was saying with the plastic. So yeah, I'll give these a shot and see how good they go. But yeah, pretty excited to be using some good tools. Tell you what guys, I don't know what I was talking about before. These stainless steel trowels are awesome. they just glide across each other like beautiful. It's just, why was I using the plastic? It's been so long since I've done plasterboard work. I've actually forgotten how good it is to use good tools. So don't listen to what I was talking about before. Go for the stainless steel, not high carbon, stainless steel tools. You won't regret it. Trust me, I've learned the hard way. Sometimes that seems to be the only way I learn, but I learn in the end, so it's all good. So anyway, that's just so much better.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You.
Right, so now that I've done the corners, I'm going to do these chamfered edges. Now, they've had the first coat, so this is the second coat. And what I need to do is scrape off all the dags, make it, and the good thing about when you have a stainless steel spatula like this, you can scrape it off and leave a nice straight edge. So I'll go down and I'll scrape it all down, and then I'll go ahead and put the second coat on there.
Broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood.
So just a quick little job here today. You can see by getting more of the plaster on and getting the surfaces flatter, how the shape all comes together. It doesn't look so hodgepodge, which I guess is goes without saying, but that is starting to really take shape now. This piece up here around the arch, I'm just going to use no more gaps to go in. I don't need to paper tape that. No more gaps will be fine. So I've only got this little piece of gyprock on here. Now I'm going to start working my way down the hallway, but there's a lot of things that have to happen on this project. So now that I can't do the dining room, I can't do the lounge room, there's not a lot I can do inside the house. When I get a good day, we've had quite a bit of rain lately, and so I can't do any repointing or anything like that outside. So the hallway's going to become a bit of a focus for me, and I'm going to just work my way down. So I've got to make 3 more of these door sets. So I'll get in and make that happen. Then I can sheet it with gyprock, make the arches, and yeah, and work my way down there. So that'll be pretty cool. That's a good project. And then when people come in the house, it's going to like really feel cool coming down this finished hallway. And don't forget, I've got the LED light panel still going on the front entrance, so for the transom. So I'll keep working on that, and maybe by next week I'll have a video to put up of that getting finished. So yeah, so that's about it for today. Just before I go, I just want to let you know that there'll be another episode on the wingback chair build coming out this coming Friday. And another project that I'm going to get started on, that I'm quite excited about as well, is making a Victorian style desk. This will be a desk with turn pieces coming down on the corners, big skirtings. It's going to be set up for modern use, so for my computer. So I'm going to have a pull-out tower drawer and spot for the printer and that kind of stuff. But on the outside, it's going to look like a Victorian desk. So I'm going to do a pie crust edge around the top. There's going to be leather inserts and all that kind of stuff. So that's a project that I'm going to be starting up very shortly. So there's all that stuff coming up. So this job here, going down the hallway and obviously finishing off the kitchen wall and the pantry, that will be kind of fill-in jobs that I'll do just to keep this moving along. And then I've got some repointing, I can do the odd video there. So I do apologise that I'm late on this video, I'm quite late, but due to having to move all the rooms around, I just couldn't work it in. So, but I'm back up and running now. So yeah, that'll be it for this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you feel like you got something out of it. And I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.